Looking ahead to the next 7 to 10 days and throughout the rest of July, looks like we're locking ourselves into a warming and drying pattern with significant heating likely. Upper level trough that brought cool weather earlier in the week is migrating northward out of Montana. This allows heat to expand northward as we look throughout the rest of this weekend into most of next week. So there's going to be some significant heating, 90s and maybe even some triple digits up there in the northeast corner of Montana. But most of Montana will be above to well above average on temperatures Thursday, Friday, and into Saturday. So this extreme heat wave expecting to impact Montana and much of the western half of the country, you need to slow down. So keep that in mind. Dress in light layers and make sure you watch what you eat and drink. And drink plenty of water. Try not to drink much in the way of alcohol. Try and stay out of that warmest part of the day, so the direct sunlight and the extreme heat late in the afternoon, early evening. Try and find some air-conditioned areas and try and find a little bit of shade. So get most of your work done if you have any outdoor chores in the early morning hours, Thursday, Friday, and into Saturday. I'm Chief Meteorologist Mike Hurd, and let's take a look at this impressive heat wave coming. And for Butte, we're projecting upper 80s and lower 90s Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and possibly again in the first half of next week. But this is a classic July weather pattern with a strong high-pressure ridge. Same for Bozeman and Belgrade. Upper 80s, low to mid-90s are possible Thursday, Friday, Saturday. That's going to put us close to some record high levels. So as you can see, we got an expanding high-pressure ridge setting up by the end of the week and the weekend. Low pressure along the coast and cool weather up in Canada, but with high pressure blocking much of the storm energy, we're locked into a classic summertime weather pattern with heat expanding northward, relaxing a little bit, then moving back up. But this is definitely going to keep temperatures and weather patterns mostly on the calmer side as we look into the next week, week and a half to 2 weeks. So hot and dry weather, this will increase fire danger. And again, you want to be prepared, take actions now to be safe during this heat wave coming up later this week and the weekend and most of next week. We'll update the extended 7 and 10 day forecast for you tonight at 5:30 and 10 on KXLF and KBZK.